Hi, I'm Kane. I'm mechanical design engineer. At this time, let me share my. This is a Reuleaux triangle, and it has a handle passing through its center. This is a disc with a square hole. This is a housing with a circular hole that is the opposite from the center. Let's assemble it. They rotate together at a constant speed ratio. Smaller and less precise, so it may appear just functioning. I will try to make it more precise. I will assisted by my amazing tool Motorpack. It is an experimental device used to observe the motion of mechanisms. If it were possible to create a mechanism that is absolutely identical to the mathematical formula, it would not be able to rotate like this. Let's see these pictures. Yellow is Reuleaux triangle. Blue is a square. Sky blue is also square. Purple dot is the center of the triangle. The cyan line represents the trajectory of the center of the square moving. When the triangle remains stationary and the square rotates around it, this trajectory is not a circle. This trajectory has an encircle and circumcircle, and the difference in their diameter is very small. If we make the triangle a little smaller and fill the gap with a square, I believe we can use this mechanism effectively, like a rotary engine. I wanted to use this mechanism as a progressive cavity pump for dispensing high viscosity liquid like a ketchup. But unfortunately, I never had the opportunity. I have finally found a mathematically beautiful graph, but I don't know what to call it. I think it might be a type of epitrochoid. What would be the equation that defines this curve? Could this curve be a type of multifocal ellipse? We can use this curve to make a three-point harmonic drive. I will explain it why we need a three-point harmonic drive. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.